Adama, you will prepare. Wait till they do for outside since. I don't they go now. Where's my Uber? I order my Uber. I'm going. Okay, go and meet mommy for house. Yeah. Okay. Take care of yourself. Yeah. Okay. Be a good guy. Okay. All right.
Bye
Bye bye.
bye. She called you dad. She
Yeah,
your daughter.
Adama.
Hey! Pocket ball!
Yeah, this is my daughter, baby. How are you?
You didn't tell me
That's what?
that she's your daughter, that you have a daughter.
Oh, sorry. It's my.
Sorry.
She's my daughter, baby. How are you?
I'm good.
You don't came for visit. Why
I'm,
didn't you call me?
I'm sorry. Wow.
Yeah, this is my daughter,
I'm
Adama.
really surprised.
Oh, don't prove it. Don't surprise. You are good. Yeah, that's how life is. Oh my God.
Babe. She your babe?
Yeah, she's my baby. You're my babe.
Bombastic side eye.
How come?
Come how?
This is confusing.
Confusing how?
Daughter.
Yeah.
Babe.
Mm-hmm.
Babe. Ah!
Anyways.
Ah!
How are you?
Babe, sugar pie.
Your daughter.
Who
I don't understand.
How are you?
Ooh, wow.
She's my daughter here.
Who is this one?
You can hear from her. She's my babe.
And lovely sugar pie.
Oh, wow, interesting. Three, with daughter, Pikin. I am you.
Calm down. You guys should calm down. Calm down. She's my daughter.
Yes.
You understand? Okay. This phone. Who bought this phone for you?
You.
You. It's me that bought this phone for you, right?
Yes.
Okay. Good. This clothes. Who bought this clothes for you?
You.
Me, right?
Yes.
Nice one. Can you turn?
Hey! Pocket ball!
Okay. Who buy this bag for you?
You.
You dressing like this. Who buy this for you?
You.
Me, right?
Yes.
Nice one. Hey, you. Okay. The house that you are staying. Who rent the house for you?
You.
Me. Okay, no problem. Is there anything that you are not enjoying inside this relationship?
No.
What about you?
No.
So you are enjoying. What about you?
No.
You are enjoying, Sabi? Okay. Now, is there anyone among you that's not interested in this relationship? You should leave the sound off.
No, Professor.
Mothers, hug yourself. Let's go. These are gold diggers.
Oh, yeah, don't let Awilo, yeah, yeah.